Hello there. Welcome to Shaun Academy. Today in this video we're going to learn how to start a gutter cleaning business. My name is Sarah and I will be your instructor in this video. Before we start a gutter cleaning business, let's take a closer look at what goes into starting one and how we can make yours profitable. Gutters are great for collecting water from roofs and directing it down specific channels, but they also collect other debris. While homeowners can clear out this debris on their own, many prefer not to because they are uncomfortable on a ladder or do not have the time. Instead, they hire a gutter cleaning service to clean out the leaves, branches, and other debris that accumulates in their gutters over time. Gutter cleaning is a subset of the $9 billion building exterior cleaning industry, which has grown at a 5% annual rate over the last 5 years. Prospective business owners will find many promising opportunities in the industry at large, and in gutter cleaning in particular. A gutter cleaning business can be launched for less than $2,000, especially if the owners already own some equipment. Business owners will require 1. A vehicle that can transport a ladder. 2. A ladder. 3. A ladder stabilizer for safety and keeping the ladder off the gutters. 4. Buckets and tarps for debris collection. 5. Heavy-duty rubber gloves. 6. Insurance. A pressure washer for quickly cleaning downspouts and a leaf blower for quickly cleaning dry debris may also be useful for business owners. These aren't strictly necessary. Those who do not own a vehicle capable of transporting a ladder can begin by renting a truck whenever they have a job. When the company generates enough revenue to purchase a larger vehicle, the owners can get something that can hold a ladder. A gutter cleaning business has few ongoing expenses. Fuel, vehicle maintenance, and insurance premiums are among them. The primary market for a gutter cleaning company is homeowners who can afford to outsource at least some of their home maintenance. These are typically homeowners in the middle, and upper classes. Gutter cleaning companies charge homeowners to clean out their gutters. Although business owners may calculate a flat rate for the entire job, they will frequently base their fees on how many linear feet of gutters a home has. Second-story gutters are typically more expensive than first-story gutters. Assume a company charges $1 per linear foot for first-story gutters and $1.50 per foot for second-story gutters. The price would be $147.50 for a two-story house with 80 feet of first-story gutters and 45 feet of second-story gutters. The business owner may quote the customer $150 for this job. Gutter cleaning prices vary greatly. According to research, a typical ranch house can be charged $75 and a typical two-story home can be charged $100. Your pricing could be $45 for a garage and $120 for a two-story house, or $165 for both. Some establishments charge even more. Requesting quotes from competitors is the best way to determine how much to charge. Business owners should set their prices in line with or slightly below those of other companies in their industry. Business owners may earn between $200 and $300 per day, but this does not always translate into a $75,000 annual income. The majority of customers want their gutters cleaned in the fall. The rest of the year, it can be difficult to schedule a full day of work. There are numerous methods for business owners to increase their revenue. Many business owners offer minor gutter repairs while they work, and some even offer gutter guards. Gutter cleaners may also provide leaf removal, window washing, and skylight cleaning services. If you found this video useful, please show your appreciation by clicking the like button. Also, let us know in the comments if you'd like us to make a long, comprehensive follow-up video to learn more about how to start a gutter cleaning business. Also, don't forget to click the subscribe button to see more videos from Shaun Academy, an extension for education.